Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the escape key is not working on your keyboard, then watch this video to find a solution. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to check the physical condition of the keyboard, and we can do that if you're plugged in to the device through a USB cable of your keyboard. So unplug the USB cable of the keyboard and plug it into another system or another device and check if the escape key is working there. If it is working, then that means there's a software issue with your computer. If not, if it's still not working, that means your keyboard is damaged and you need to replace the keyboard. Now the second thing to do if you're facing a software issue is to update the keyboard drivers. For that we will go to device manager and we will look for keyboards. Now we will right click on HID keyboard device and click on update driver. We'll do this for all the HID keyboard devices. We don't need to do it for the standard PS2 because these are the legacy devices which use a 3-pin plug and has been phased out almost. But if you have a legacy keyboard that is a 3-pin plug keyboard, then you need to right click and click on update driver. Now the next thing we need to do is make sure that we have turned off the sticky keys and the filter keys. For that we need to right click on the start button and go to settings. Then we will go to accessibility and we will look for the keyboard. Click on keyboard and make sure that the sticky keys, the filter keys and the toggle keys are all in the off position. Finally, this should work, but if it doesn't, then finally we have only one option, that is to restart the system in a clean boot configuration. Because what happens is normally some drivers, corrupt drivers are downloaded into the system without our knowledge, and this causes the system to function in certain ways, and maybe that is the reason your escape key is not working. So how we'll start the clean boot is we will go look for system configuration and we will click on the services tab. Now a word of caution folks, before we disable any services we will have to check this button here, hide all Microsoft services. And this is very important because if you disable any Microsoft service by mistake and you restart your computer, then the Windows will not be able to access the Microsoft service and you will be stuck in a restart or a reboot loop. So this step is very important. You need to click on hide all Microsoft services and then you can disable any third party service like Mozilla, we don't need it, McAfee and Google Updater, we can disable them. Click on apply, OK, and then check on restart. And once it restarts in the clean boot configuration, you check if the escape key is working and it should work. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.